Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to fix TikTok. Your video has been muted. And in order for us to do that, we are going to launch our TikTok application and then we're going to tap on our profile. Here at our profile, as you see, we do have a video as you can see, I actually have videos that have been muted. So I'm going to tap on one, which is this one. And then I'm going to tap on here, which says the music isn't available. Replace music. And then I'm going to choose the song that is perfect. Let's say I'm going to choose this one. Then I'm going to save sound changes. That's how we can actually fix this type of an issue, since we can't actually do anything about the sound being muted. We can at least replace the video just as how I've shown you. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.